Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to set up NinjaTrader step by step. So you will have to go to ninjatrader.com and right here sign up with your email, or you can just use your active email using Google right here, and I'm going to sign in. So bear with me guys, I'm going to blur this out, and blur this out, of course you'll have to place your first and last name and your email. So create the user, and the new user is created successfully from there. And here you can get started with live trading. So you can open an account right here. So if you don't want, you can also opt for the actual, um, let's just go back there. So let's go back to the dashboard. So here you can actually opt for not ready for live trading and start a free simulated trial of the live market with 14-day free trial. So you will have to enter your first name, last name, country code, and phone number. So this is also going to be the same thing when it comes to opening an account. You will have unlimited simulated trading data included, no deposit minimum required, and a free platform access included. Of course, this is going to be a paid service. Basically, there's also a free version, but you'll get less than you need. But you will have to pay for a little bit of a price just to use NinjaTrader, which is pretty good if you know what you're doing. So once you log in, this is how it would look like basically. And now you're ready to trade. You got two screens right here for your data. You have your buying position order, you have your account, you have your balance, your PNL, your intraday margin, and many much more. Here in the very right corner, you will have your news, your chat, your messages, reports, your friends, and if you need help, you can do so right here. You also got options right here for other things. So if you want to check that out, you can do so. So I recommend you use the demo trading account first to explore your NinjaTrader because exploring it yourself will teach you how it works basically, and as long as you don't screw up, you're good here in demo. So if you screw up in your live trading account, that's going to be on you. So there's always a demo account to practice on in case you don't know what you're doing. So basically here, you can actually go ahead and check out. There's actually already built in some actual indicators right here like Bollinger Bands, SMA, RSI, and many much more. Here you even got your volume, your directional index, and many much more too. So there you go guys, that is how you set up your NinjaTrader step by step, and it's pretty easy. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.